Hey guys, I am Iric and I'm 10 years old.
And I'm Eliza, I am 12 years old.
Due to COVID-19, people have been homeschooling and doing school online.
Since we've been homeschooled our whole lives, we are going to record some of our favorite lessons and activities to give you some ideas for stuff to do at home.
We will have something for everybody from pre-K through high school. This week's videos are going to be about our favorite time of year,
Shark Week! This week's videos, they're all going to be shark-based activities that you can do at home. Shark!
So first off, we're going to draw our shark mascot. Once you're finished coloring it however you want, you can put it on a ruler or a stick, and that would be your shark mascot for the week.
You can make your shark your own unique shark. So you can color it however you want. You can color a pre-made shark that you find online. You can make it a fantasy shark. You can make it a realistic shark. You can make a small shark, a big shark, or a shark head. So make it however you want because this is your shark for the week.
Okay, so I'm not the best drawer, but I try. So basically, I'm just gonna sketch out a shark and then go from there.
Hey guys, I'm going to draw my shark. It's going to be a shark head. And I am not the best at drawing, and I'm just going to sketch it out for right now.
Now we're going to cut out the sharks.
Then I'm going to take my popsicle stick. You can take anything like a pencil, stick. I wouldn't use a stick, or a popsicle stick, or a ruler.
I wouldn't use a pencil. It's better if you use like a popsicle stick or like a ruler.
Uneven. His head is uneven.
It's lopsided.
It's okay. It's just like me. A like shark.
Yep, you're like lopsided head. Lopsided head.
Actually, I have lopsided teeth. So.
Yeah, you have more lopsided teeth than head.
On a couple layers.
By the way, that's not going to be cut out of the video. Us talking.
Well, there's going to be music, right?
Okay, I think that's enough tape, Liza.
You never know. It might not be. His name is going to be... What's his name going to be?
I don't know. What is his name going to be?
This is my final product. His name, Sharky Warky.
Sharky Warky Way. The way of the Sharky Warkies.
And then these are the final products. So this is Dogo.
Because Bark Bark the shark.
And then this is Sharky Warky.
Or Bark Bark I'm a shark, not Bark Bark the shark. Sorry.
So, we're gonna
Sharky Warky, Doggo.
Meow. This week, you will be watching shark movies, learning about sharks, and doing shark activities.
Make sure you have your shark mascot in the pictures you take when you're doing your shark activities. And make sure to tag @Sutton Academy on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
And hit the bell to turn on notifications so you never miss one of our uploads. Thank you.